Welcome to CAD Interop. We provide CAD interoperability solution. This video will present annotation functionalities of 3DViewStation. This is an example of animation in 3DViewStation. We use transitions between views. We can move objects like translation or rotation, explode assemblies, hide or ghost geometry, highlight parts, create annotation and change point of view or zoom in, zoom out. You can change the speed and the delay between transition. You can also create loop and reverse direction. Now I will present you step by step how to create this short animation. First of all, I want to clarify two things. What we talk about is not rotate, nor animate functionalities you can retrieve on View menu. I will quickly show you the difference. Animate is only a simple tool to create a cinematic and it's only create rotation. To create this rotation, you need first to create an axis. Go to Model and create a coordinate system. Select the geometry to rotate, it could be a node. Assign the selected node to a coordinate system, select the coordinate system and select the direction. Use start and stop animation to animate your geometry. You can adjust the speed if needed. After this short digression, let's see how to create animation. I will simulate a disassembling by creating a view for each step. In a view, you will save the camera position, transformations, hide or ghost status, etc. Just click on plus to save a new view. If you want to hide a component in a view, please use hide but not delete, because delete will suppress these components on all views. You can also provide instruction by creating annotation. My example is done. You play animation by clicking on this button. You can also play reverse. There are two settings you can adjust to control speed and delay between transitions. You can also create a loop. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon on www.cadeinterrupt.com.